Okay, here we are. We've got our 18.5 pound turkey lurkey. Cheers. We are going to spatchcock this bird. I think this is what's called a Pope's nose. I'm not sure. Pope probably needed a nose job. Anyways, can you see it? Yeah, not so pretty. Anyway, so from the YouTube videos that I've seen, we're going to just trim with scissors. And yeah, well, let's get at this. Okay, Dexter. Not my normal area of expertise. Oofa. Okay. Still a little frigid too, so there was scissors and then there was cutting, but I think scissors was the preferred way. Crunchy, crunchy. Like a little turkey bone. Let me go pause there and see if we can check the other set of scissors. See who's the sharper set of scissors. Yeah, I don't think it's the sharper set. It's just, this is an Amador County bird, so, you know, they're not weak. This bird did vote for Biden and Kamala. It was definitely a mail-in, pre-frozen time. Okay. But it was verified. Huh. These scissors don't want to go at it anymore. Okay, maybe it's trying to find the sharp knife. I apologize to all you chefs out there. I am not a professional. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. But I'm hosting, so here we are. And I was given a task. Jesus Christ. Well, maybe we'll have a convertible bird. You know, say. Try it from the other side. It's not how they did it on YouTube. YouTube is a lot faster than JohnTube. Well, that side actually seemed to break a little better. if you're looking to buy or sell a home in the Bay Area or Amador County, I got that. This, not my thing. But I'm not a quitter. Jesus. Jesus Maria. Okay. There we go. We've got a spine of a turkey. Is that a liver? Not sure. We're going to set that down. More organs. I'm sure that would be delicious in stuffing. But I think there's another plan for the stuffing. This is gross. Sorry. Probably going to be a vegetarian after this. Probably not. Meat tastes too good. So now I'm supposed to flop this down. Let's just get rid of these stanky dankies. Oh, this big old bird. And you're supposed to just put those bird birthing hips out and spread it out. Oh. Again, YouTube, you make everything look really easy. Extra feathers. Oh. Okay, I think I've got to do additional surgery because that is definitely not splitting up there. Oh, this bird's gonna taste delicious when I go and pick one up at KFC. Kidding. I don't know. Not sure. This bird's stronger than me. I feel like there's a Cher song in there. Strong enough. Anyways, here we go. Spatchcocked, sort of. Partially cocked. I'm not sure. I think I need a hammer. Yeah. Jesus. Bird. Yeah. This is just a tough bird. Tough in the sense of, yeah. She was raised by a couple beautiful children for, I'll be wrong if I'm saying 4-H or FFA, probably 4-H. But anyways. Yeah. I don't know. Slingshot. Not sure what to do. Maybe it's back to YouTube. Oh! That one broke down. Oh! There we go. I think this is what happens when you go to the chiropractor. Ugh. That's it. Give it a roll of got, Captain. Taking a break.